Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atrey and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, beauty, hauls, etc. So if this is something interests you, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so in this video I am going to try out a few new launches from Relove by Revolution. So ये एक Revolution, Makeup Revolution अगर आपको पता है, it's a really old brand. एंड अभी उन्होंने रिसेंटली अपना एक और सिस्टर ब्रांड निकाला है जो कि है Relove by Revolution. एंड दे से कि ये है बहुत ही अफोर्डेबल प्रोडक्ट्स. सो अगर आपको मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन के प्रोडक्ट्स थोड़े से एक्सपेंसिव लगते हैं, ये प्रोडक्ट्स आपको बिल्कुल एक्सपेंसिव नहीं लगेंगे. ठीक है, सो आई हैव अ फ्यू प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम देम. तो मैंने एचओ के मेकअप से ये सब बाय किया था. नन ऑफ दीज आर स्पॉन्सर्ड या मुझे पीआर नहीं मिला था. आई गॉट देम विद माई ओन मनी. एंड इसमें मैंने कुछ और भी प्रोडक्ट्स लिए हैं रेवोल्यूशन के, बिकॉज रेवोल्यूशन पे ऑफ चल रहा था. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, जो सबसे पहली चीज है मेरे पास, by the way I have already prepped my skin with Squalene. and जो सबसे पहली चीज है मेरे पास वो है इनका ये ग्लो स्टिक. So this is Relove by Revolution ग्लो स्टिक. ये इनका विटामिन सी डूई स्टिक करेक्टर है. ऐसे उन्होंने बहुत सारे ग्लो स्टिक्स एंड एक प्राइमर स्टिक भी लॉन्च किया है. एंड इफ यू डोंट नो, ये जो स्टिक्स हैं दीज आर रियली पॉपुलर इन द वेस्ट. मतलब यहाँ पे वी यूज लिक्विड प्राइमर्स एंड ऑल, बट वेस्ट में दे हैव स्टार्टेड यूजिंग ऐसा रोल ऑन टाइप का प्राइमर्स. बिकॉज आई फॉलो अ लॉट ऑफ अकाउंट्स इंस्टाग्राम पे, तो वहां से मुझे पता लगा. तो इसकी पैकेजिंग थोड़ी सी मुझे फ्लिम्जी जरूर लगती है. दिस इज हाउ द प्रोडक्ट कम्स लाइक दिस. ना इफ यू रिमेम्बर, शुगर में भी एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट था, बट ये वाला जो है ये क्लेम करता है दैट इट गिव्स यू अ वेरी ग्लोई बेस. सो वी आर गोइंग टू ट्राई दैट आउट. सो लेट्स जस्ट अप्लाई दिस ऑन माय फेस. बाय द वे, ये फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन नहीं है. आई हैव ऑलरेडी यूज्ड दीज प्रोडक्ट्स, तो मुझे पता है हाउ वेल दे वर्क. ओके, फर्स्ट इंप्रेशंस, द कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ दिस इज वेरी goopy. मतलब it appears as if you have applied something which is very sticky and goopy, and that's how it appears. It does have a very nice orangey lemon ka fragrance, because of course this is your vitamin C primer. So मैंने अभी पहले एक साइड पे लगाया है. So you can notice the glow. ये वाला साइड का skin is glowing, while इस साइड पे कुछ नहीं है, so it's not that glowy. So you can definitely make out that ये glowy है. And when you touch your skin, now when I am touching my skin, it is appearing very goopy. So whatever you apply on top of it will be stuck. So ये मुझे इसका फॉर्मूला इसलिए अच्छा लगा क्योंकि बहुत ही goopy है and glowy भी है. It's not very extra glowy. ये balm consistency में है and इसमें कोई कलर नहीं है because it is transparent. Now इसके अंदर ना pore filler भी था, but I did not get that. I got this one. And guys, जिनको प्रॉब्लम होती है स्टूडियो लाइट से, मैं आपको जो एंड है, आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू इन नेचुरल सनलाइट. आई कांट शूट इन सनलाइट बिकॉज इट इज विंटर्स है और यहाँ पे सनलाइट बिल्कुल नहीं आ रही है अभी. सो दैट इज वाई आई एम नॉट एबल टू शूट आउटडोर्स या सनलाइट के पास. सो दिस इज हाउ माई फेस लुक्स लाइक. इट लुक्स वेरी hydrated. The only thing which I feel is that it just makes my skin looks very sticky. That's the only thing I don't like about this primer, that it is very sticky. But if you are looking for something which is going to give you a very sticky base and which is going to give you a glow, so definitely you can use this. Now iske baad for foundation, I have Super Serum Foundation. I have already reviewed this product, so I'm not going to talk a lot about it. So I'm just going to apply this. Okay, after applying this, can you see my skin is extra glowing? So I'm not going to talk about the foundation. If you want to check out the review of the foundation, please click in my description box. मैंने ये पहले ही रिव्यू किया हुआ है, तो मैं इसके बारे में ज्यादा नहीं बोलूंगी. So मेरा ना फेस बहुत मुझे स्टिकी लग रहा है. So if you ask me my opinion on the primer, I don't like it. I don't like it that much. I mean, I'm okay about it, but I'm not very big fan. And plus, you see, my skin looks extra sticky. एंड मेरे को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आ रहा वो वाला जो उसका जो इफेक्ट है प्राइमर का. सो आई वोंट रेकमेंड दिस. एंड स्पेशली अगर आपका ऑयली स्किन है, कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन है, प्लीज स्टे अवे फ्रॉम दिस. मैंने इसको खरीद लिया है, आई हैव टू यूज इट, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई डोंट हैव एनी अदर ऑप्शन. नाउ मैं अपने आईब्राउज को फिल कर लूंगी. Alright guys, I have filled my eyebrows now. Let's move towards the next product, which is again Reluve by Revolution. This is their baby tint and this is how the product looks like. Now they don't have a lot of shades. They do have I think 4 or 5 shades. तो मैंने जो pick किया था that is coral. They do have another shades also. तो इसका packaging is very very tiny, very very petite, and when you open this, so it just comes like this on a doe foot applicator, which I love by the way. So let's just apply this. It's a pretty nice corally color which does not look over the top, you see, and this shade is so suitable for Indian skin tone by the way. So I'm just going to take my sponge and इसको लगाने के बाद यू सी देर इज अ वेरी नाइस सटल ग्लो एंड सटल कलर. सो ये वाला इज नॉट वेरी वेरी प्रोमिनेंट, ठीक है. अगर आप इसका कलर देखोगे ना, सो कलर इज नॉट वेरी प्रोमिनेंट. नाउ दिस रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ made by Michelle blushes, made by Michelle blushes I think, yeah, I said blush. Now this reminds me of made by Michelle blushes, so probably. Now मैं इसको blend कर लूंगी with a brush just to see how it blends with the brush. Wow, so if you want great coverage, अगर आपको थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा coverage चाहिए, please use a brush. And now I have hair all over, so please use a brush if you want थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा coverage. But I think it is really good and it's inexpensive also. अभी Reluve by Revolution जो था वो 50% off पे था. वैसे मैंने तो ये 35% off पे खरीदा था. बट डेफिनेटली दिस इज ये फ्रॉम माई साइड. यू कैन चेक दिस आउट. एंड इसके अंदर बहुत ही सुंदर सुंदर कलर्स हैं, बट बहुत डीप कलर्स नहीं मिलेंगे आपको. दैट्स द ओनली प्रॉब्लम आई फील. बट अदरवाइज दिस प्रोडक्ट इज रियली रियली गुड. नाउ अलॉन्ग विद दिस आई ऑल्सो हैव देयर blush duo. This is what the packaging looks like. Now it reminds me of the ELF blush duo. मतलब इसमें आपको एक blush मिलेगा, एक highlighter मिलेगा. इसका जो मेरे पास shade है ना, let me also tell you the shade. I'm not able to find the shade, but I am going to leave it on the screen. So this is how the product looks like. एक तरफ आपको ये बहुत ही प्यारा सा blush मिलता है, एक तरफ आपको icy highlighter मिलता है. Now I am not a very, मतलब मैं ऐसा highlighter नहीं यूज करती ऐसा, because मुझे लगता है कि मेरे स्किन पे नहीं अच्छा लगता. बट इसको यूज करने के बाद आई एम अ फैन ऑफ आईसी हाइलाइटर्स. सो दिस इज हाउ इट स्वॉचेस. अगेन ये कोरल कलर है एंड दिस इज सिल्वरिश highlighter. Now you can make out my love for coral colors. I love coral colors because I think it just looks amazing on Indian skin tones. So मुझे इसका जो highlighter है ना, it's not at all chunky. This is a great buy अगर आप if you are someone who is just starting out, या अगर आपको एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट चाहिए जो डुअल काम करता हो, this is your jam. It is really good. And मैं इसलिए नहीं बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि मैंने खरीदा है इसको या whatsoever, but I have really used it, so I'm just going to show you. अभी मैंने लिक्विड ब्लश लगाया हुआ था, so I'm just going to take the blush, tap off the excess. ये करना बहुत जरूरी है. Again, these blushes are really pigmented, so you need to be very very careful before applying. Of course, this is a matte formula blush. अगर आपको matte blushes पसंद है तो आपको ये जरूर पसंद आएगा. This is how the color looks like. Use the highlighter. So I'm going to take this fan brush from Pro Arte and again take the highlighter on my brush and then tap off. Just look at the glow. I mean, this is not blinding, but this does, मतलब ये ना बिल्कुल heavy नहीं लगता आपकी skin पे. बहुत ही प्यार से ना you can apply this and it will look amazing on your skin. Like you can tell, this just looks gorgeous. I also like to apply this onto my nose a little bit, cupid's bow and chin. ज़्यादा तो मैं नहीं लगाती हूँ. And a little bit here, just to give your eyebrow bone a lift. You see, this is how it looks like. So an amazing product, a must buy. You can buy any shade. बहुत सारे shades हैं. And if you ask my opinion, अगर मुझे ये ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है ELF वाला, I like this better because I love the blush shade. Because I love the blush shade, so that's why I prefer this one over that one. ठीक है guys, and अब मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. ये Reluve का नहीं है, this is Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright Face Palette. Now इसको भी मैंने जब खरीदा था, it was on 50% off. So मेरे पास Patricia Bright का आई शेडो पैलेट भी था, जो मैंने अब ब्लॉक सेल में दे दिया है. So when you open this, this is how the packaging looks like. You get a very nice mirror and you get these shades. Now the problem with these shades are that these are not my shade. ये थोड़े से डार्क है मेरे लिए. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to swatch these colors and I'm going to swatch the bronzer. Of course I'm going to use the bronzer. This is how the colors look like. Now ये वाले color जैसे मैंने बताया आपको, दिस विल सूट इफ यू हैव डार्क स्किन टोन. काफी मतलब बहुत ही अच्छे से ये कलर्स आपके फेस पे दिखेंगे. सो आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दी ब्रॉन्जर. लेट्स सी. आई जस्ट होप कि मैं मेस अप ना करूं. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू कोट माई ब्रश एंड अगेन tap off the excess. Also just take off if anything is remaining on my brush, and then I'm going to contour. Have to be very very careful क्योंकि ये वाला color is really dark for me. So just take the slightest amount, okay? And what I like to do is that I just like to take the shade over here and then bronze. Now you see the intensity of the bronzer, it just decreases and ये over the top नहीं लगेगा, एक अच्छे से contour भी करेगा. So just take it, dip it and then जो भी excess है इसको निकाल दो and अपने temples पे use कर लूंगी. But if you are dark skin tone तो please ये मत करना क्योंकि ये आपका ही shade है. And I'm so happy that in India we have such a dark shade. You can definitely contour with this very nicely. Now this is very blendable. In spite of being a very dark color, this is very very blendable. Now I'm going to take the beauty blender and जितना भी excess है ना, I'm just going to take it off. चलो. Now the last product, not last product, मतलब one of the last products जो मेरे पास है वो है ये Revolution का Glow Revolution Setting Spray. This is illuminating face and body spray. This is in the shade Eternal Gold. This is how it looks like. Now I was so intrigued when I saw this. I mean, I was like amazing. So let's just use this on my face. I have already used this, so I know how I feel about it. So let's just spray this. You don't need very pricey glowing spray. You can definitely use this on your body. The only thing I don't like is the spray. I mean, spray is fine, don't get me wrong, it is very fine, but I have problem with this nozzle. Like, see, this is the problem. Otherwise the spray is very very fine. I mean, it is amazing. Look at the glow on my face. You can definitely use this on your body. I'm not going to use it because I'm wearing this sweater. Just giving this glow all over. Amazing. Now let's talk about these brushes which I have from Revolution. I don't have any eye product, so I think I'm not going to use these brushes in today's tutorial, but कभी और use करते हैं. So these are the two brushes. तो ये again Relove by Revolution का ही है. So I have their pencil brush. This is how the pencil brush looks like, and I have their eyeshadow packer brush. ठीक है, it just comes in a very nice blue packaging. Now the packaging is very similar to the pack packaging. ये pack का pencil brush है, and I'm going to show you how pack pencil brush and this is very very similar. You can see they are similar. Although pack का जो है वो थोड़ा सा different है इससे, but the difference is negligible and body भी बहुत same लग रही है मुझे. So I have used these brushes, so I like it. Eyeshadow packer brush is really good because it just, the shape of the brush, like let me just show you the shape of the brush. This is the shape of the brush. So it just picks the eyeshadow, cut your crease really nicely. So definitely you can go for these brushes if you grab them, if you can grab them on discount. And now I have a mascara from Relove, but again ये mascara का भी I have reviewed, so I'm not going to include this. Just going to apply mascara and then we will come towards the last part. सो गाइज मस्कारा लगा लिया है. नेक्स्ट जो है मेरे पास इनका लिपस्टिक है. दिस इज न्यूली लॉन्च लिपस्टिक फ्रॉम रेवोल्यूशन. ये रीलव का नहीं है, दिस इज मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन का. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. दिस इज देयर लिक्विड लिप बाम एंड दिस इज इन द शेड हॉट सैटिन चॉकलेट. अमेजिंग कलर. द ओनली थिंग इज पैकेजिंग इज वेरी वेरी थिक. बहुत मोटी पैकेजिंग है एंड इसका जो वॉन्ड है ना ये थोड़ा सा मुझे थिक लगता है फॉर माई काइंड ऑफ लिप्स. तो अगर आपके बहुत पतले लिप्स है ना तो आपको बहुत केयरफुली इसको यूज करना पड़ेगा. smells exactly like chocolate. Look at this shade. Isn't this gorgeous? I mean, if you are of dark skin tone or of my skin tone also, this is going to give you that amazing Hollywood actress kind of feel. I love this, truly. Alright guys, this is what my makeup looks like. I have used all the products जो मेरे पास थे. So I'm going to do a check-in after some time because I have to shoot a couple of few others with other videos. Oh, okay. So till now I am loving how my face is looking, and अभी जो sticky feeling है ना वो भी थोड़ी कम हो गई है. Let's do one thing. Let's see if this transfers or not. Just taken this tissue and I am, oh my god, no transferage at all. I mean, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है that मेरा base transfer करेगा because it is so glowy and it is so sticky also, but it is not transferring. ये एक cotton ball मतलब cotton pad है. Nothing. Just look at this. I am amazed, by the way. So I think the glow primer and this makeup setting spray is your jam if you really like that dewy glowy look, and I am digging for this look. Talking about the lip color, this is not the most comfortable lip color. I have used not lip color, like lipstick. I have used better comfortable lipsticks, but this shade is everything. I mean, this is such a pretty wine brown type of shade. Now looks so pretty on me, and of course it does not transfer, but it sticks. Do you see? This is sticky. So apart from that, I love the lip color. It's not very uncomfortable, but it is not very, very comfortable. So this is what it looks like. I will be back after some time, and I am loving it. I mean, I am loving this base. We'll see you soon. And this is what it looks like in natural lighting. You can see my base looks top notch, I feel. I know ये जो natural lighting है, it just looks so good. But what to do? मैं इसमें ज़्यादा नहीं shoot कर सकती. But look at this base. Amazing, I feel. Literally, it's amazing. The products are bomb by the Revolve by Revolution. Bomb products, and you can definitely get your hands on these. I'm so digging for this lip color. I mean, this is out of the world. Okay guys, so update on my base. You see, it is still glowy. It is looking super good. The lip color hasn't gone off, but definitely it smudges a bit. Yeah, it does smudge and then it does stick, but it is very, very long lasting, and ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा pigmented है and dry नहीं कर रहा है lips को. And base जो है मेरा इतना सुंदर लग रहा है. I feel like I'm going to give a thumbs up to all the products. You can check this out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye.